What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ace and it's been a hot minute. Bado tuko na home, but we're back. So today we have our Land Cruiser Prado 2017, I'm guessing, and itakuwa inafanywa facelift. I'm a little bit late. Ishakuwa the fenders and the hood. Now the back has already been stripped. I missed the front being stripped as well, but let's see what you can get. Enjoy. This was the old front and rear bumper, and this was the previous grille and headlight. So this was the teardrop model Prado, and you'll be seeing the outcome at the end of the video.
I don't even care. I want you to listen to what I say. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending.
Right here we have the rear bumper, which is now yet to be fitted, and probably some wiring as well. So let's get on with it, see how it turns out.
One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make
So what we are doing right now is preparing the car for the paint. You saw on other cars that we did the whole body repaint, but for this one we'll only be doing the front and the back.
I never see the lights out, they get me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car, this is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now, I got the overdose, I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, these habits are killing me. I wish I could fall asleep, the problem is you. You are my overdose.
I'm finding a way, I can even do well, but I want you by my side of my all day. I know I'm a fool, I don't even care. I want you to listen to what I say. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. I'm not ready for being loved. I need more time, a little more. I'm not ready for being loved. I'm walking home, I'm walking home. I've never been desperate to find someone who loves me. Yeah, I've never been that way. I have never been, I have never been, I have never been.
So the car is in the boot, ready for paint.
You gotta take control, life's too short. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. So put your hands up to the sky and live your best life, alright. Don't just let it go by, just try, oh my. Got only one life, got only this time. We gonna get it right. You gotta let go of those who don't belong in your tribe. So cut the bad out of your life. Yeah, do it one time, one time. You gotta work till you're winning. Yeah, take control of the system. When you invest, it's addicting. No time to rest, let's go get it. Not gonna stop till I'm finished. Not gonna drop to my limits. Deep in my chest, I'm inhaling. Believe in testing and failing. You gotta flip everything in your mind. Take the limiting thoughts and turn them into your why. Prove to yourself you're worth it. You deserve it. Push past all the hurt and find your purpose. You gotta take control. Life's too short. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. So don't let go. Take control. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. Give it all your best. Yo, never gonna stop, no way, no. Yelling out, hey, yo. Headed to the top on our way, yo. You gotta make change. Yeah, there's gonna be a little pain, but nothing's worse than staying the same. So light that flame, put the work in, go claim everything you want in this place. It's time to go fast, know that energy is all cash. You could get it all if you never give up, no slack. Headed to the top is a mystery, your own path. Never gonna stop, no, you got this, never go back. know it gets hard. You gotta love it, you gotta recharge with what you want and think of your dreams. Get that energy to go and get everything. Let's go. You gotta take control. Life's too short. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best, so don't let go. Take control. Get out of your head, make a better life instead.
Hello guys, very excited for today. So the car is almost done. Ndio tumeingia car wash sasa. Yes, bado tuko na hover for some reason. And we're still looking good. Yay! Anyways, I'm excited. Let's get the car washed and we get to see how it looks. Let's go. Honest reaction, I feel like this car has gotten a more aggressive look than it had before, and well, I think it's nice. So if you enjoyed the video and if you'd like to see such content or car related content, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Car washed at the car wash.
Two fathers and two sons went fishing one day. So,
Two fathers and two sons.
Oh wait, who went fishing one day?
Two fathers and two sons.
Two fathers and two sons went fishing one day. They were there the whole day. They were there
The whole day.
But guess what? They only caught 3 fish.
Because kuna son, kuna
Very
grandson,
interesting.
na kuna.
Should I like?
You
I
get?
don't know how many.
I am right. They call me Ace for a reason.
3 fish.
Anyways,
One of the fathers
tumeshikanisha.
says,
Me solve the child's riddle and feels happy. You know what? A win is a win. A win is a win. Let's go.